Good AM. Today is November 2, 2023 Thursday, and here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Square 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 2, 2023 Thursday. Here are the 10:30 AM STL Store 3 result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for Thursday, November 2, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of November 2, 2023 Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.